Looking to switch up your taco game? Well, today we are making lamb tacos. Absolutely delicious, very unique, and it's so quick and easy. Before I begin, if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right, guys, to begin, we are making the Pico de Gallo. So I have everything already prepped to save you guys some time. I am starting with some red onion, finely chopped. I'm going to add that in. This is about half a small onion, okay? Also, we're going to add some cilantro in there. I have the tomatoes going in. Ooh, that's perfect. Also, we have the jalapeños. I removed the seeds. Of course, if you want it spicy, add the seeds in. And I'm adding some salt and pepper. Next, we're going to add 1 lime in there, lime juice. Squeeze that in. I love the smell of lime, okay? It's something about lime, especially when I was in Haiti, I used to make limeade with water and sugar. Oh my goodness, so good. I still make it till this day. Then you give that a mix, just like this. It smells so fresh. Of course, you gotta give it a try to see if you need any more salt or pepper. It is so good. I'm going to set that aside for now. Now we're getting ready to make the crema sauce. Extremely easy, okay? So I'm going to use about 4 ounces of sour cream. Next, I'm going to add 1 garlic clove in there. Also, a little bit of cilantro, about a tablespoon, and a little bit of milk just so it can blend. Okay, not too much. Cover it and then blend it. All right, it is nicely ready for you. There you go. I'm going to pour it right in here. Now it's time for me to season my lamb chops. I'm using about 2 pounds. You can see they removed the bone for me, but there's still some bones in here that I need to, remove. So I'm going to basically cut the meat from the bone. Now you can make this with lamb shoulder. They didn't have that. That's why I didn't buy it, but I'm using these, okay? Make sure you use a sharp knife when you're doing this. As you can see, I'm getting every little piece of meat because these bad boys are expensive, okay? So I'm going like this, and like this. I'm going to continue removing the meat from the bones. Once I'm done, I'll let you guys know what to do next, all right? All right, guys, I'm all done. As you guys can see, the bone is nice and clean. Now, you can use the bone to make a stock if you like, but for tonight, I won't use them, so I'm just going to throw them away. And now I have my meat nice and ready. I'm just going to dice them into small pieces so they can nicely fit into our taco shell. So something like this. Perfect. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, rub that in just like this. These are the seasoning I'll be using. I have celery, salt, rosemary, oregano, coriander, some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder with ground black pepper. I'll leave it below for you guys. Just give that a mix just like this. Oh, the seasoning smells so good. Okay. The rosemary, the coriander. And also I do have some allspice in here as well. Okay. Perfect. I think that's enough seasoning. And also I have some Worcestershire sauce here that I'm going to pour in. Oop, just a little bit. I should have done this in a bowl, but why dirty too many dishes, you know? So just pour that all over just like this. Just trying to keep it less work for us, right? Just mix it up and pretty much you're ready to go. To a medium-high heat skillet, I am going to drizzle some olive oil. Now you're going to add your meat right in, just like this. Now, we're not going to cook this for too long, okay? We want it to stay nice and juicy. So we're looking for about medium to medium well, okay? I'll say 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Then we'll flip them over. It smells so good. The aroma in here is so delicious. Y'all see the color? It's nice and beautiful. Yes, ma'am. It smells so good. So good. I'm gonna let it go for another 2 minutes, then it'll be ready. Let me tell you, the aroma in here is undescribable, okay? Woo! Yes, ma'am. Look at that. It's time to make our tacos, y'all. It's ready. It's time for me to warm up my tortillas. I'm using corn tortillas. You can use flour tortillas if you like. You can even microwave these if you like. Since I'm already on the stove, why not just, you know, warm them up that way? And let me know down below, which one do you guys like the most? Is it the flour tortilla or the corn tortilla? Personally, I like corn tortillas. I used to be a flour tortilla fan, not no more, because it just tastes different. I love the flavor. I love everything about corn tortillas. So it's nice and hot. Just going to remove it. And oh, it's hot. Just place them like this on here, maybe 4. Okay, now I'm going to add in my lamb chops. Wow, lamb meat. Right, and just like this. It's best to cut them smaller, obviously. I'm going with the Pico de Gallo, just like this. Oh, can't wait. I can't wait, y'all. My mouth is literally watering right now. I know I say that a lot, but this time it's different, okay? Oh, I'm so excited. Not too much, just a little bit. You don't want to cover up the meat too much. And I'm going to add some lemon slice, lime, not lemon, with some more cilantro. And basically, there you have it. Listen, I have never been so excited to try something like that before. It looks so good. I'm excited. It's my first time actually making a lamb chop. Lamb chops? Lamb tacos. So let's give it a try, y'all. It's been sitting, so it's kind of soft. Excuse that. Okay, let's give it a try. This So good. 20 out of 20. Okay, let me add some hot sauce because I need a little bit more heat. Ooh, a little bit of my island vibe habanero hot sauce. You can grab yours down below in the comment, not the comment, the description box, but ooh. The meat was so tender, like so tender and flavorful. Not your regular lamb chops. This is different. Run to the store and buy the ingredients and make this. I guarantee you, you are going to enjoy these. So good. The only thing I will do different is dicing the meat a little bit smaller, but baby, this is the recipe for you on this Tuesday. All right. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. Do not forget to leave a like for me if you enjoy it, if you find it helpful. If you're going to try it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.